everybody, my name is Sohail Agazadeh and I'm going to present Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R2 in regards to retail for the section of development and customization. Part of this specific training, I just wanted to let you know that we are going to go through the overview of this course. The objective of this course, which would be Module 1, would be as follows. In the first chapter, we are going to discuss the point of sale as an overview, and we are going to talk about what are the benefits of a new release, which is based on R2. Then we go through POS extension in regards to the technical aspects of it. We understand different sets of components that makes up the point of sale and the framework, of course. You have to be familiar with all these pieces of components. This course assumes that you have already gone through the installation configuration of retail module and also the POS functionality. You can obviously go through this course and refer back to those two training in regard to knowing the functionality of POS. This section only focuses on POS extension and the framework, assuming you already have a knowledge of installation configuration and also functionality side of it. In chapter 4, I go through development environment requirements. What is it that you need to have? Then we focus on interface definitions. I introduce triggers and services that are built into Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R2. And also we start talking about how to customize them and how to extend them. We have very nice examples coming up, which throughout demonstration we will discuss them. But up to this portion, we pretty much focus on the high-level aspects and the definition of what is needed for you in order to gain knowledge and perform additional customization. The technical background and localization would be additional information that we will discuss. Some of the best practices in regard to extendability. Then we get into how-tos, like how to extend the logon capabilities of the point of sale, perhaps by using the biometric devices. Also, we will have some discussion in regard to how to customize the POS themes. There are many themes available off the shelf. However, if you would like to customize additional themes, you have this chapter. User interface extension, how to add additional buttons, additional custom controls will be discussed in that chapter. Then we get into the default functionality of core section, which consists of triggers and services. So we learn how to extend a trigger and how to extend the service, obviously, by going through the demo code. Also, additional to existing functionality of the point of sale, many buttons are available off the shelf, but we can add a blank operation into the point of sale and extend it the way we like. In that specific example, blank operation extensibility, we are going to add a new button and we call a particular application or perhaps launch an Internet Explorer in order to navigate to a particular website, or perhaps retrieve the description of an item and search it via a website. Custom fields would be another discussion. How do we place a custom field on a POS layout? We will discuss it in that chapter. Then we have further capability in order to extend real-time services, which are part of the core functionality of Dynamics AX. We learn how to add an additional code into the existing library in order to be able to customize the real-time services the way it operates. We will also have some discussion as a high level in regard to the device integration, such as Hydra or electronic payments. However, due to the nature of this training, since we won't have any devices, it would be only a high-level overview and some sample codes, but we don't have live demonstration for that. POS database tool extensibility for store and offline databases by creating a custom scripts will be discussed. And also we talk about testing and deployment and some information in regard to the upgrade from previous versions of Dynamics AX Retail. Needless to say, the deployment will be not necessarily by your custom code, it will be also offered by hotfixes and perhaps service packs that Microsoft offers. So I have some information in regards to it as well. There are 4 labs that are available at the end of the course. You are more than welcome to go ahead and do those. And of course, labs are going to be demonstrated anyways, but I added some extra samples throughout our lecture as well.